Hello everyone, this is Atreyi from Kolkata and today I will be preparing some recipes for Fireless Cooking Competition. So let's start with my first recipe. My first recipe is mini chocolava cake. So this requires only 3 ingredients. Those are some Oreo biscuits, chocolate syrup and for garnishing powdered sugar. So first of all, we have to crush some Oreo biscuits into a fine powder. Powder is ready and now to it I'll add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. And now we have to prepare a dough out of it. So once our dough is ready, we have to flatten it and give it a nice shape. Then we have to take a silicone mold and we have to grease it with oil or butter. And then we have to take the dough and then put it along the base of the silicone mold. So I have done with shaping the dough into the silicone mold. Now I'll pour some chocolate syrup into it. Once I'm done with the chocolate syrup, I have to take another flattened piece of dough and put it on the top of the mold. So once it's done, I'll seal the sides like this. So I've sealed the sides like this and now I'll flap it over. So now I'll take off the silicone mold and it looks like this in the final step. Now for garnishing, I'll dust some powdered sugar on the top of it. My next recipe is bread cham-cham, and for this the ingredients are some chopped almonds and pistachios, saffron milk, fresh cream, desiccated coconut and pieces of bread. So first of all, we have to cut a circular piece out of this bread like this. Now I'll take one piece of bread and then I'll put some fresh cream over it. Now I'll put some chopped almonds and pistachios over it. I'll cover it with another circular piece of bread. After that, I will drop it into saffron milk. The next step, I'll put it into desiccated coconut. So after we have put it into desiccated coconut, my bread cham-cham is ready, and for garnishing, we will put some saffron milk on top of the cham-cham. And after that, we will put some dry nuts on it. My bread cham-cham is ready. My next recipe is Swiss roll, and for this we require desiccated coconut, melted butter, coffee powder, milk, powdered sugar and chocolate syrup and powder of Mary biscuits. So let's start with our recipe. So I've taken some powder of Mary biscuits. Now I'll put 1 teaspoon of coffee powder into it. Now I require 1/4 of chocolate syrup. Put some melted butter. And now we will mix well and knead a semi-soft dough. So after mixing, my dough is ready. Now we will keep it aside. Now we will prepare coconut mix. So I am taking a fresh bowl and putting half a cup of desiccated coconut into it. Now I am adding crushed cardamoms into it. And then I'll add 3 tablespoons of milk. After that, I'll put some melted butter. So after putting melted butter, we will add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And now we will mix it. Now I have put a parchment paper on the chopping board and now I'll spread melted butter over the parchment paper. So once I have completed brushing, I'll put the dough on the parchment paper and then I'll start rolling it. Now after rolling the dough, we will put the coconut mix over it. And we will start spreading it evenly like this. I'll spread the coconut mix evenly and now I'll start rolling this dough along with the help of this parchment paper. I've rolled the dough now now and it looks like this and it's ready. So we will cut some slices. And it looks like this. Now I'll make a very refreshing drink which is known as mojito. So the ingredients are as follows: Sprite, fresh mint leaves, some slices of lemon and powdered sugar. So let's start. I'll put some powdered sugar into the glass. Now I'll add a slice of lemon and some fresh mint leaves. And now I'll pour Sprite into the glass. Now we will garnish it with a lemon and we will put a straw. My mojito is ready. So the dishes which I have prepared today are mini chocolava cake, bread cham cham, Swiss roll and mojito. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you.